welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Asenime Mabel, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I've missed you guys so much. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this look, my signature soft glam, full glam look. This is like one of my favorite days in a very long time. So if you'd like to see the full video of this tutorial of this look, keep watching and I'll see you guys at the end. Hi bestie! Today we're going to be creating a look like my signature go-to full glam look. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see if I like my hair. I just got my hair done. Some commercial for the hair, please. So I've already washed and done my skincare. If you want a video of how I do skincare for my makeup, do let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. And now I'm going to go into priming my face. Firstly, I use the Tehila Cosmetic airbrush primer. So this is it has a smell, but not a bad smell, like a vanilla-ish smell. And I'm just going to use my fingers to rub it into my skin. I'm going in with primer, another primer. This is from Tehila Cosmetic. This is their oil-free primer. I've had this for a very long time and it's about to finish, like a little amount on the back of my hand, and rub it in. Make sure I get it on my brows as well, because I want to prep my brows ahead of time. Just make sure you blend it into your skin, and when you're applying your primer, avoid putting it on your under eye, so your under eye does not look too dry or doesn't get too dry, because you want your under eye to be moisturized so that you don't have crazy under your eye. I'm going to be using this Hair Oil Control Powder. This powder, I genuinely love it. I would recommend it to anybody, and I don't really know how much it is right now because I got it in a PR package, but it's such a good powder. It melts into the skin and it's nice. It's really nice. Now I'm going to be using the primer spray from Belly Girl, and I'm just going to. This is just to further melt everything that I've done into my skin. Now I'm going to be mixing my foundation. If I show you what I use as foundation, you are going to cancel me, but I'm not going to show you. I'll just show you when I'm mixing it. Now I'm going to be using the foundation. This is how it looks mixed. So I'm going to be applying it. Now I'll use my foundation brush to further put it into my skin. We're looking blended, we're looking soft, we're looking clean. I'm going to set my face with setting spray and then use my beauty blender to blend it out to just give it like a smoother look. This is the setting spray that I use. I'm not going to be doing liquid contour, but I'm going to be doing liquid blush. This is from Cosmetics. I'm going to use this just to define the sides of my face. This is actually a gloss. This is from Divine Gold. I'm going to be using my hand to spread it further first before I will now go away with the beauty blender. I'm going to be using concealer. One propaganda that I'm not falling for is using small concealer. The only time I would use a little amount of concealer is when I know that I'm rushing out and I want to easily blend it out. But if I have my time, I am using concealer to the max. I'm not doing put one dot, put two dots on my face with people. With a brown brush first. I like the brush stem blender method for everything. It just gives a more flawless, seamless blend. And when blending, do well to take your time. You don't want to be in a hurry while you're rushing. Take your time to blend. I do it fast because I'm used to it. I know how to blend quickly. I have to blend quickly, especially when I'm doing like client's work. I have to blend quickly. But if you're a beginner, take your time and just blend. You see how it just looks like skin, like water. You just blend it out with your tea blender. But I love these lashes so much. I'm going to get like 100 of them extra. It's cute. They're strip lashes, but it looks like classic Katai-ish lashes. It just has this cute curve to it. And this is another thing about my concealer and foundation. My foundation sometimes can be darker than my skin. I like to go in with my concealer just to brighten it up a little. I'm going in with the same foundation brush just to blend it out more before going further. I'm going to use a brighter concealer on my under eyes just to give it that zhuzh, that pop. I'm using this palette. It's an old palette. This is from Half Cast Makeup. An old palette, but it does the job like crazy. I'm going to blend my under eyes again. Then I'm going to apply it just so that if there's any crease under my eye, I blend it away. So look up, mirror right here. You look up and you blend. If it's possible to hold the fact that you're looking up better, or you just want to capture that crease. Can you see how it just looks set? Can hardly see any harsh line. This is a trick that you can use to get like that fine under eye. And just set the rest of my face. I'm going to set my face, the rest of my face with pressed powder. This is with just powder, like full powder. I have no contour, I have no blush. So now I'm going to be doing contour, and for contour I use an eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette that I use. In it, it's like a deep brown shade. I use this too, actually, these two, but I use tea time just for like this part so that it just looks a little more like sculpted in the down part. So I take very little of tea time. See how sculpted it makes me look like. It just gives that sculpted look. I just go over with whatever is remaining to dust off on my chin. Let's talk about a movie that I saw. I've been seeing like a lot of movies and series. I saw Sinners last week. Let me just give you my 2 cents. So for Sinners, I would say I loved the cinematography. It was properly produced and directed. Everybody knew what they were there for, and they ate it down. Period. So I trick on TikTok where you just turn it the other way and you can use the other side. I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'll come back and do my eyes. So I'm done with my brows. If you want a detailed video of how I do my brows, just check the description box and you will see a video that will take you straight to my Instagram. I have a detailed video of how I draw my brows, and yeah, you can check that one out before I actually drop a detailed one just for YouTube. Now I'm going into eyes. From what I can see a sultry look coming up. But I don't know if I want a sultry look. Now I'm going to just take my concealer and put it at the back of my hand so that I don't, since I have like lashes on, I have to like bring it down a lot so that I don't stain it. I'm going to be using this to give myself that sultry look. I'm going to go in with the deeper shade first. It's tricky when I have lashes on though. So let's make it work. I'm going in with a fluffier brush to get the lighter brown shade. This palette is like my favorite palette. I use it for basically everything. And I'm smoking it out a lot because I want it to show through the lashes. So even when my eyes are closed, you can see that there's something there. The reddish shade I just used to further blend it out. Can you see how sultry it looks already? I'm going to use this shade Teddy, this one here. Can you see the difference? And for this, you just go in with tapping motions. What do you think? I don't do much with my lips, so I'm just going to line it. Going in with it's like a reddish lip liner. Taking my new lipstick from Glam Cosmetics. like my brown gloss. Use my pink gloss first. I know I said I don't do much, I swear. I promise I don't do much. And I use this nudish gloss. I'm going to first go in with my powder brush just to press everything. And then I'm going to go in with my powder brush. I'm going to take whatever is remaining in my blush powder, my blush brush, and just put it on my cheeks. Just for extra zhuzh. You can tell me I'm not looking like a babe, like a snack, like a 10 over 10 over nothing. And this is the final look, guys. I'm so sorry that I wasn't talking so much. I'm working on it, and I hope you enjoyed the video regardless, and you learned 1 or 5 things from the video. I think that's going to be my new catchphrase, 1 or 5 things. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.